Missouri Historical Society has had a long-standing relationship with sustainability, so installing electric vehicle charging stations was just one of many things to reduce our environmental footprint.
We have 2 electric vehicles for security and 1 electric mail vehicle. We installed electric vehicle charging for our own fleet as well as our visitors.
Our cost of the EV charging station was about $40,000, and we received almost half of that, of $20,000 in incentives through Ameren.
We have your chargers installed right here.
We did use an EVP installer, and that was Industrial Battery Products, Inc.
We wanted the chargers in a place that are easy access for vehicle traffic, as well as where we were going to supply the power from our building to the chargers themselves.
The power is right here.
A little bit about the installation process. It does take longer than expected, working with the city for permitting processes and making sure that we had enough ample power in the event that all 4 would be subsequently used.
Electric vehicle charging is used quite often. Their usage is currently 3 to 4 charges a day.
The benefits for the charger stations has been more membership increased, as well as more visitors who have never attended. This is an added benefit to them to say, hey, I want to come, I want to support the museum. One of the reasons why we considered installing EV charging stations was because of the incentive program through Ameren.
More and more people are driving electric cars every day, and that increases the need for them to be able to charge their vehicle while they visit your establishment.